Welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews. I'm reviewing some Bluetooth earphones today with active noise cancelling. Under £40. Are they any good? Let's find out in today's review. Okay, quick look at the packaging. As you can see, they're active noise cancelling wireless headphones. On this side, if you look, there's a picture here. So you could get some with active noise cancelling Bluetooth or just Bluetooth only. These are the active noise cancelling ones. That's just a description of the earphones themselves. I'll explain that. Let's take everything out. This is everything included inside the box. You get some paperwork, you get an instruction manual, you get a bag, a string one to carry the earphones in. You get some ear hooks and ear tips. 3 in total. You get small, medium and large. There are a pair on the actual earphones and then these are separate. To get the best active noise cancelling performance out of these is recommended to use the large size, but of course make sure they fit into your ear canal properly, otherwise you'll get sound leakage. This is the charger. It has a magnetic charger wire. When I first seen these, I thought this might be a bit of a problem because normally there's micro USB or lightning or type C cables going around everywhere. If this breaks, you will have to get another one from the manufacturers. But then I realized, I think I know why they've put that in, because if you look at the earphones on this side, this part here, that's where all the controls are. I'll explain that in a minute. Here where the branding is, that's where that would fit, and it is magnetic, so it just clips on like so. It evens the weight out, because I've used earphones like this. These are the neckband type ones, and it's got a little thing there where you can adjust them and stuff. What would happen if you'd go brisk walking, they'd fall out the ear. But with this, because the weight is evened out, they can stay in your ear. They're good for exercising, running, jogging. They will not fall out if you get the right ear tips and the hooks in, because them hooks do sit in the ear really well. A look at the actual earphones themselves. This wire is of decent quality. I mean, it's not the best, but for the price point, it's okay. You put them behind your neck and then you can adjust them as well, how tight or loose you want them. These are magnetic. However, the magnet is quite weak on the earbuds, because I've tried it and at times it's been a hit and miss. That's where the ear hooks are, and it's got R and L on this side, so you won't get them the wrong way around. The ear tips would of course fit on there. Moving our way down, where the branding is, that's where the magnetic charger would fit. Talking of charging, they take about an hour to charge, but they also have a fast charging feature, so you'll get about half an hour, will give you around 60%, I think. I haven't tried that feature, so I can't really comment on that. All the controls are on this side, so you've got your volume up, your next track, volume down, previous track. This is the multi-function button, so you could play, pause from there. You can also answer calls from there. Onto calls, the other person could hear me, I could hear them absolutely fine, no problem. These are Bluetooth 4.0, so it's not the latest 5.0. I've got no complaints in the Bluetooth department. The range for me has been perfect. I've left my phone in one room, gone to the other room, it's been perfect. But I do live in a newly built property. Well, it's been built around 3 years now, so maybe the walls, they're quite thin. They're not like, they don't build houses like they used to. So maybe if you've got like tougher walls, you might have an issue, but me personally speaking, I did not have any issue with the Bluetooth at all. That's the ANC button. When you turn that on, you can see that it's white, and of course when it's off, there's no color there. You might have realized that I did not even turn the earphones on there from the multifunction button, so it works without having to turn the earphone on, which is really good for noisy environments, like say you're on a train, on a plane or something, and you don't want to listen to music, you just want to block some of the sound out. It'll work excellent for that. If you were just to use the ANC feature and not put any music on or not connect it to your phone, you'd get around 6 hours of battery life. Listening to music by itself without the ANC, you'll get around 4 hours, and now listening to music and ANC, you'll get around 3 hours. That's what my testing was. Well, about 3 hours, but as I always say, it depends on how loud you're listening to the music. So if you listen to it really loud, you might get less than that. Overall, I've listened to different genres of music. The sound quality has been good. At times they've been a bit over bassy. Some people prefer a lot of bass. I think for the price, these are a good set of earphones to have. The ANC feature does work pretty well. It's not the best out there, but it is decent. My experience with these earphones has been pleasurable. I think they are worth the money. Under £40, you can't go wrong. Christmas is coming up. These would make a brilliant Christmas present. My friends, as always, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video.